Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to convert pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds directly in Excel. Whether you're working with international data, managing inventory, or just trying to figure out your weight in a different unit, this is a super useful skill to have. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome Excel tips and tricks. So, what are we going to cover? First, we'll look at the simple formulas you can use for converting pounds to kilograms. Then, we'll flip it around and show you how to convert kilograms back to pounds. Finally, we'll touch on some potential issues and how to avoid them. Alright, let's get started. Transition to Excel screen recording. Okay, here we are in Excel. As you can see, I've got a simple table set up. Column A lists values in pounds, and column B is where we'll convert those pounds into kilograms. Column C lists values in kilograms, and column D is where we'll convert them back into pounds. First, let's tackle the pounds to kilograms conversion. We all know that 1 pound is approximately equal to 0.453592 kilograms. So in cell B2, type in this formula, equals A2 asterisk 0.453592. This multiplies the value in cell A2, which is the number of pounds, by the conversion factor. Hit enter, and there you go. Your pounds are now converted to kilograms. Now to easily apply this formula to the rest of the column, just click and drag the little square in the bottom right corner of cell B2 all the way down. Excel automatically adjusts the formula for each row, so you get all your conversions done in seconds. Great. Now, let's move on to converting kilograms to pounds. We know that 1 kilogram is approximately equal to 2.20462 pounds. So in cell D2, we'll type in this formula, equals C2 asterisk 2.20462. This multiplies the value in cell C2, which is the number of kilograms, by the conversion factor. Hit enter, and boom. Kilograms are now converted to pounds. Again, just like before, click and drag the little square in the bottom right corner of cell D2 down to apply the formula to all the cells in that column. And that's it. You've successfully converted pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds in Excel. Transition back to talking head. So, as you can see, converting between pounds and kilograms in Excel is pretty straightforward. Just remember the conversion factors and you're good to go. Now, a quick note, these conversion factors are approximate. For most practical purposes, they're perfectly accurate. However, if you need extremely precise conversions, you might want to use a more accurate conversion factor from a trusted source. Also, be careful when dealing with a lot of data. Double-check your formulas and make sure you're applying them correctly to avoid any errors. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.